Pay close attention to this price action on the 15-minute time frame. Price moves up, pulls back, and approaches an area where most traders expect a reaction or a clean entry. But instead of reacting, the market simply moves away without confirmation. No respect, no hesitation. Now here's the important part. This behavior is not random, and in the next section, you'll see exactly what the market was actually targeting instead. Now look at this move. Price pushes higher with strength and breaks past this level I have marked here. This break is important. It shows a clear shift in market direction where buyers are starting to take control. But this is where most traders make a mistake. They see this break and assume the move will continue from here, so they enter immediately. However, the market does not move in a straight line, and what happens next is exactly what traps these early entries. Now shift your focus to the highs above. Notice how price previously struggled around these levels and left multiple equal highs. This area becomes important because many traders place their stops or breakout positions here. As a result, the market is naturally drawn toward this zone, not by chance, but because liquidity is sitting there. But here's the key detail. Even though price is moving toward these highs, it rarely goes there in a straight path. Before reaching this area, the market usually creates a move that catches traders off guard. Now look at this area below. This is where price previously moved upward, creating what most traders identify as a demand zone. Because of that prior reaction, many expect price to return here and show a similar response again. This creates a strong expectation in the market. Traders start planning buy entries from this zone, assuming it will hold. But here is the problem. The market does not always respect areas just because they worked in the past. And what happens next challenges this expectation completely. As price approaches that area, something unexpected happens. Instead of a strong reaction, the market shows little interest and continues without confirmation. There is no clear rejection, no aggressive buying, just a quiet move that goes against what most traders anticipate. This is where confusion starts to build, because the setup appears valid, yet the expected response never comes. So the real question becomes, if this area looked strong, why did the market choose to ignore it? That answer becomes clear once you understand what the market was actually setting up next. After moving higher from that area, price does not continue in a straight line. Instead, it starts forming small pullbacks and short-term structures. This phase is known as inducement, where the market creates opportunities that look like valid entries for traders who missed the initial move. Many participants step in here, expecting continuation, but in reality, these positions provide liquidity to the market. So, rather than being the real entry, this inducement phase is simply preparing price for the next move toward a more significant level. To understand this completely, focus on where the strongest move actually began. This area is known as the order block, and it represents the point where the market created a strong push with clear intent. Now compare this with the demand zone below. That zone was based on a previous reaction, but it did not create a strong shift or continuation in price. There was no significant imbalance, no clear expansion, and most importantly, no remaining unfilled orders in that area. That is why price did not react from it, even though it looked valid. On the other hand, this order block holds the origin of the move, where real participation entered the market. So price was not ignoring the demand zone, it was simply moving toward the level that actually had purpose and liquidity behind it. If this breakdown helped you understand how price actually moves, make sure to follow Discount Trader, and do not forget to like, comment, and share this with someone who is still confused about these setups. The key takeaway is simple. Not every zone will hold. Only the ones that truly move the market matter. Start focusing on where real intent is created, and your entire view of price action will begin to change.